Hey, my babies, come with me to CVS to coupon almost $100 worth of products for just $12. Now, hey, you're going to need to bring about $31 in the store with you, but I'm going to teach you how to earn some money back. If you want to learn, keep on watching.
Okay, before we get into the video, go ahead and follow me to join my Bougie Bestie community or subscribe to my channel. Like, save, and repost this video and drop a heart in the comment section. Thank you.
Start by picking up 2 packs of Neutrogena makeup remover wipes. I'm going to get one of these priced at $6.99, and then I'm also going to get these priced at $6.49. When you buy 2, you're going to earn back $7 in extra care bucks. Clip this $5 coupon. Pick up 2 Nivea men's body washes priced at $5.99. Store is not tagged, but when you spend $10, you're going to earn back $5 in extra care bucks. Use this 2 off 10 CRT. Hey, I know what it says, Sweet Pea, but if you scan it, this does work. 2 Degree deodorant sprays priced at $6.59. They're buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 2, you're going to earn back $3 in extra care bucks. Clip this 4 off 2 coupon. This is what our cart looks like. It's $35.34, but we have $11 in coupons, which will leave you to pay just $24.34 plus taxes. Y'all know my birthday just came. You guys gave me this $3 coupon, so I'm going to use that. So I'm going to pay $21.34. Now let's go check out. Okay, besties. So my Neutrogena wipes actually were $6.29. Now I did scan them in the app, but you know that's always different for CVS. Ma'am. Ma'am. And the red box doesn't work at $20.44. Okay, my babies, we've earned $15 in extra care bucks. I'm going to use this on our next transaction. Okay, besties, before you do anything else, go ahead and send your $15 to your card. 1 Copper Tone lip balm priced at $5.99. We're doing this sun care deal. When you spend $25, you're going to earn back $10 in extra care bucks. Clip this $4 coupon. I'm gonna get some Solar Cane items, all priced at $9.99. I'm gonna get this gel. Hydro gel does not have an Ibotta rebate, so I would not get this one. You either need to get this gel that I'm picking up or get the doggone spray. I don't have any coupons for these. My babies, for this transaction, you will be needing to download 2 rebate apps. Start by downloading the Ibotta app. Use this referral code at sign up for a free $5 when you scan in your first receipt. Next, download the Fetch app and use this referral code at sign up, so you can earn a free $2 to $3 when you scan in your first receipt. In the Ibotta app, before you scan your doggone receipt in, make sure you clip your rebate. So I'm gonna earn $5.65 back twice for my 2 Solar Cane products. If you find the Solar Cane spray, use one of these, but please, again, make sure you clip it. And besties, if you get the Solar Cane sprays, then you're gonna scan your receipt into Fetch as well, where you're gonna earn $1.80 back twice. My babies, this is what our cart looks like. Total is $25.97, but we have $4 in coupons and 15 ECB from our previous transaction. Let's go check out and pay $6.97 plus taxes. $6.97. Okay, besties, we've earned our $10 back in extra care bucks, and we're going to use this on our next transaction. 1 bottle of all liquid laundry detergent priced at $5.29. 1 pack of the all laundry detergent pods, also priced at $5.29. When you buy 2, you're going to earn back $3 in extra care bucks. Besties, we're using Ibotta again, so clip this rebate for your liquid. Clip this $2 rebate for your pods. When you press redeem, you press any grocery store for the store. Our total is $10.58, but we have $10 in ECB from our previous transaction, which leaves us to pay just 58 cents plus taxes. Period. Now let's go check out. 58 cents plus taxes. You see it. We've earned $3 in extra care bucks. Now you can spend your $3 on whatever you want to, but honey, my husband wants more cereal, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna spend mine, and we're gonna earn some money back on Ibotta. We have 2 boxes of General Mills cereal priced at $2.49. Clip this 1 off 2 coupon. Ibotta app, clip this $1 rebate. This is what our cart looks like. Our total is $4.98, but we have $1 in coupons and $3 in extra care bucks from our previous transaction, which leaves us to pay 98 cents plus taxes. Now let's go check out. 88 cents. Okay, my babies, so let's do a little math check. So I paid $28.97 out of pocket, but I'm earning back $16.30 from Ibotta, which makes my net total just $12.67 for everything. Period. Okay, my babies, before you put your Crocs in sports mode to go score these deals, don't forget to follow me, and don't forget to come back and let me know if you score or not. Okay, I'm gonna call you back. I'm gonna call you back.